Normally when you start D7.2, you get a wealth of information on the System Info tab. A lot of checks go on here, a lot of information is gathered from the OS at this point, and that happens every single time D7 starts up. Now the reason for that is you may want to know every time D7 starts up if there were errors in the event log, or if there is no antivirus software. You may want a reminder of that every time Windows starts, every time D7.2 starts. However, if you don't need that constant reminder, if you don't need to constantly diagnose what's going on the system, you can actually disable this and increase D7.2 startup speed significantly. So for this example, you can actually use this go directly to tab in config and change that to any tab you want. So you can have D7.2 start up straight to the malware tab. Or you can select none. This will start you to the System Info tab, but what it will do is skip all of the checks that go along with the System Info tab. So you see the information is blank here, but D7.2 started up pretty quickly. If for some reason you do want to then see all of this information, you can use the Rescan System Info link or simply click away from the tab and click back. And it will perform all of the normal checks that it usually does. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any ideas for any other videos, please let us know. We'll get something posted as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.